Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. But anyways, on the monthly time frame, for now, yeah, it is going up pretty strong, but for now, I'm definitely still looking at this as most likely making 5 waves down for an ABC of wave B. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Definitely going up very strong, but I'm still looking at this as possibly being a wave 2. I think that this is too clear not to be 5 waves of A, and this seems way too clear not to be 3 waves of B. So that means it should now be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves of wave C, which should be an ABC of B. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely going up pretty strong, but to me, it looks like a possible correction. It looks like impulsive up, it looks like 3 waves down, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5 of wave C that is forming right now. So if it goes up to like the 138, 123 Fibonacci extension of wave A, then makes an impulsive engulfing move to the downside, that probably will be the end of a wave 2 and the continuation of the downtrend. On the other hand, if it just goes up and bounces, never breaks structure, and just keeps on going up, then fine. We're looking for longs right now on shorter time frames anyway, so it's not really a big deal to me. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, ever since we made a break of structure and we made a significant lower high, really technically probably right in here, we definitely would have been looking for longs in an uptrend. I think this is a wave 1, I think this is a wave 2, and I think it's a wave 3. There's no break of this wave 3 yet. It is definitely higher highs, higher lows, so we can't even say that the wave 3 is over. There's really nothing stopping this from continuing up like that, which is why I will continue to look for longs on shorter time frames until I see a break. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, my last structure level on the 1 hour time frame is right here. So if price goes down and breaks that, that probably is still not a reversal. It's probably still just a correction, like a wave 4, and this is a wave 3, and then eventually back up for a wave 5. But it does not have to do that now, like I was explaining on the 4 hour. It could go down, make a higher low, 3 waves down, higher low, and just keep on trending up, which is why I will definitely continue to look for longs at the end of all pullbacks I see until the higher roadmap time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.